To free up space on your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we can open the settings on our device. Next step is to click on About Phone Information, then we can click on Storage. From here, you'll be able to see a detailed view of the storage on your phone. So you can see how much exactly those apps and data take, your images, your audio, and etc. So now if you know which files take the most space on your device, you can go back and clean them. But here there's also plenty of options to free up space without losing some of the important data. So what we can do is scroll down to the clear right here, click on that clear, and I've already cleaned my device, so I don't have this screen, but you will have a scanning right now. After scan is completed, you will see which files will exactly are not needed on your phone, like cache files and etc. And you can safely remove them by scrolling down and selecting clean now again. After that is cleaned, you will see how much space it freed up on your device. Additionally, with that, you can find a deep clean version. If you click on deep clean, it will show you the files right here for deleted videos that you can permanently delete by selecting them right here with all and then removing them. That way I just cleared almost 100 megabytes of data on my phone. Also, we can uninstall apps. You can click on that, and that way you will see all of the apps, and you can just click on them and uninstall them. You can also see if you used them recently. So for example, if there's an app that you didn't use for some time, maybe you don't need it, you can remove it. After that, you can also go for a clear app data, but keep in mind that this will clear the data from that app, so you probably will lose a data and everything that you've done in that app if you proceed with that. Then there's the delete photos. You can also click on that, and that way you will see duplicate photos. You can select them and then delete them right here. And that would be everything. There's also Facebook Cleaner or some other app cleaners that you can find. You can also try to free up space that way as well. So that is everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.